Hi, I'm James Bausch, and I'm a local broker here in northern Indiana. If you're in the process of searching for a home in our lakes region, you may not know that we have over 100 beautiful natural lakes right here in the county. We're taking a few moments to share a little bit of information about some of the lakes in our community, and today we're talking about Big and Little Chapman Lakes. Located about 7 miles northeast of downtown Warsaw, Big Chapman is a clean, spring-fed lake with a surface area of 504 acres and an average depth of 12 feet, and is 39 feet at its deepest point. It's an all-sports lake that allows for recreational boating, skiing, and fishing. Big Chapman features a public boat ramp with parking and a restroom and a marina with rentable pier spaces. And on Big Chapman, you can't miss out on the two popular sandbars, common gathering spots to anchor down and hang out with friends. Big Chapman also has a clubhouse where they host several pancake breakfasts, chili cook-offs, fish fries, and other yearly activities, and you can even rent it out for private events. At the south end of the lake, a channel connects you to Little Chapman Lake. With 177 acres and an average depth of 14 feet, Little Chapman is a no-wake lake and allows for leisurely cruising or fishing. When it comes to fishing, both lakes boast a variety of fish including bluegill, catfish, crappie, largemouth bass, longear, northern pike, red ear, walleye, and yellow perch. The area around the lakes is primarily residential, and accommodations and restaurants can be found in Warsaw or a couple miles east around the Barbie Lake chain. Over the past several years, the selling prices of homes on the water have averaged just a touch over $400,000, while the median selling price has been around $350,000. Whatever you're searching for, whether on Big or Little Chapman, our team would be honored to show you what Indiana Lakes region is all about. Contact us today for your own private tour.